Hi guys, Happy New Year, all of that shebang. So I'm at work and I have my friend here. Very good friend. Anyways, I used to give out riddles per day, every day, 7 days a week. Once, sometimes I'll give out a bonus riddle for 5 years or something like that. Now, he's trying to. I don't have any drive to do it anymore, so I stopped about a year ago. But he's here testing me with riddles, like to see if I am really, I don't know. But I decided to video it and let it be my first video, my first vlog for the year. Say hi, nation. Can you see yourself? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to set you all up so you can video me. I don't know if I remember these. It has been a while. Alright, let's go.
So what has legs but does not walk?
What has legs but does not walk? It could be two things. It could be a chair or it could be a table.
The first one is right. Alright.
Yay!
What month has 28 days?
All of them.
Okay.
12.
What goes up and down but doesn't move?
What goes up and down but doesn't move? It could be the stairs. Yeah, right?
Staircase, yeah.
Yay!
What has hands but can't clap?
The clock. I mean, I don't have a clock in here, but you get me.
What has words but never speaks?
That's words. It could be books.
Okay. Alright. What building has the most stories?
The library.
What has What has many hearts but no other organs?
It has many hearts but no other organ. It could be a deck of cards or.
Oh.
Am I right?
Yes.
You see, I need to bring this back, y'all. I need to bring back riddle of the
What
day.
has to be broken before you can use
An
it?
egg.
Until I am measured, I'm surprised you got that. Until I'm measured, I am not known.
Until I'm measured, I
am not known. Yet how you miss me when I have flown. What am I?
Time.
Okay. Wow. If two companies are and three's a crowd, what are 4 and 5?
4 and 5. 4 and 5. 9.
Jeez. Yes.
Because I have to use my fingers to calculate that.
Alright, so
Are you done?
No,
Like...
no. I have branches but no fruit. Trunk or leaves, what am I?
I have branches but no fruits. Trunk or you have branches. It could be a bank. It could. Is it a bank?
Yes. Alright, hold on. I'm still not
told
done.
you I used to do this for
I'm going to
years.
give you. No, I'm going to give you a
I'm
unique one.
tired of it.
Alright, hold on. I'm going to give you a unique one. Hold on. How far can you walk into the woods?
Halfway. I'm sorry. Finish the riddle.
No, you're right.
I'm right?
Yeah, you're right.
That's slightly
Alright. What kind of room has no doors and windows?
a mushroom. Right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
What two things can you never eat for breakfast?
Lunch and dinner.
Okay. What has a lot of eyes but can't see?
What has another eyes? A potato. But there's also another answer to it though. But I don't remember. But
You got it right.
But some of these riddles have two answers. I'm just only saying the one that I do remember.
So you remember all of these riddles in your head?
Yeah, because I've been doing it for 5 years, excluding the last year. I have not. So yeah.
Okay, hold on. What has many keys but can't open a single clock or lock?
A single door.
Yeah, a single door.
Keyboard. Key, and then you have not only the keyboard, but you have pianos because it's.
Yeah.
See? Two
Yeah.
answers.
What runs around the whole yard without moving?
A fence.
Okay. Where does today come before yesterday?
In the dictionary.
What is harder to catch? The faster you run.
Your breath. I can't breathe.
What is? Hold on. So who has married Who has married many people but
A
has never...
pastor, a preacher,
Okay.
a minister.
You're right. If you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, what will it become?
What?
Okay. Sure. Okay. What gets shorter?
A kangaroo.
I didn't even finish. How you know that?
Alright, you see, this is the reason why I don't
Alright,
know if I should continue to bring back Riddle of the Day, because I know them and I've given almost all of them already.
Alright, hold on. Nah. People make me, save me, change me, and raise me. What am I?
People make me, save me, change me, and raise me. Money. I want something.
What goes through cities, fields, but never moves?
What goes through city fields but never move? It has to be the road.
Jeez. How?
You're not tired? I mean...
No, I'm not. A man looks at a painting in a museum and says, "Brothers and sisters."
Have I known?
You know this, didn't you? You know this. I'm not continuing this because I think you know the answer already. I have 4 wings but cannot fly. I never laugh and I never cry. On the same spot I'm always found, toiling away with little sound. What am I?
I have 4 wings.
So I have 4 wings.
So would we have to be a windmill or something?
Okay.
Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
Am I?
Yeah. So it looks. Wait, hold on. So you didn't. This was a new one to you, right?
It's not new, but you have to understand. I've not done this for a year, so I don't know what I remember.
Okay, hold on.
I always thought that my memory was bad, but no, my memory is proven to be.
Hold on. What can you? So what can be touched? What can be touched? Right?
Your heart.
I
You
didn't
touch
even.
your heart, but not.
I did not even finish. How do you know the answer if I didn't even say it out?
Nation, when you're giving riddles every day for 5 years, that's 365 times 5. And obviously some riddles have to be repeated. Hold on. Okay, guys?
Alright. I'm going to give one out of my head.
Oh, Lord.
Alright,
I can give you one.
No. What?
Let me give you one.
No. I won't understand it.
Of course you will, right? You will, right? Mm-hmm.
No. This one is going to be the hardest one.
I pray so. I need something to blow my mind, to encourage me to start back the riddle of the day.
To discourage. Wow.
No, I changed my mind.
I turn polar bears white, and I will make you cry. I make you guys have to pee, and girls comb their hair. I make celebrities look stupid, and normal people look like celebrities. I turn your pancakes brown, and I make your champagne bubble. If you squeeze me, I'll pop. If you look at me, you'll pop. Can you guess the riddle?
Repeat that and just...
I turn polar bears white, and I will make you cry.
Can't be snow.
I make guys have to pee, and girls comb their hair. I make celebrities look stupid.
Mirror? No.
I'm not done.
Makeup. Water. Keep going. Temperature. Heat. Keep going.
Alright. I turn polar bears white, and I will make you cry. I make guys have to pee, and girls comb their hair. I make celebrities look stupid, and normal people look like celebrities. I turn your pancakes brown, and I make your champagne bubble. If you squeeze me, I'll pop. If you look at me, you'll pop. Can you guess the riddle?
Squeeze me. Can't be reflection. Can't be time. Can't be heat, and it cannot be the cold. What makes Water. Rain? Can't be the rain. Can't be water. Am I close? No?
This is funny and stupid at this. The
Tell
answer
me.
that them give me is funny and stupid at the same time.
What is the answer?
So notice at the end, them say if you can solve this riddle, right?
It's answer unless each section has an answer to itself.
No.
Alright.
So then you realize it asks you, can you solve this riddle?
Oh no, I cannot.
that's the answer.
That's the answer.
Because it's
So I cannot.
overcomplicated. Like
Yeah.
it gives you different scenarios. So
Because
yeah.
I gave a riddle like that. With each line of the riddle, it had an answer to itself. And that's good. You have two more.
Two more.
That's good.
Alright, hold on. I have to look closely now, because now I can't mess this up,
Can't miss this. I have one. Let me give you one.
Okay,
Let
fine.
me give you one. There are two guys competing for a female. One is a bus driver and one is a doctor. Bus driver was going on a trip, but before he left, he gave her an apple. Why?
So there's two men competing over a girl. One is a bus driver and one is a doctor. Now, when the bus driver was going to travel,
Going on a trip. Yeah.
going on a trip, he gave the girl an apple.
Why? Alright guys, before I give the answer to this riddle, comment down below and let me know if you know the answer. Ding, dong,
Okay.
ding,
So
ding, dong, ding,
he
ding,
gave.
ding, ding, ding.
Alright, hold on. Alright, so the doctor.
Come on, Nation. I'm gonna give you another one to make
Hold
up
on.
for this.
Hold on.
Let me give
Is
you
it?
another one. Let me tell you the answer. and give you another
Wait.
one.
An apple a day gives the doctor away.
Yes, that's why I said you were overthinking it. That's the answer. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Because the doctor is in the scenario. They said that the doctor is in the scenario, and then, but that is so.
And I think he was going for a day, or he was going for 7 days, and he gave her 7 apples or something like that. Because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. You want another one?
No. Alright, let me just give you
You have 2 more to give me.
2 more.
2 more. I think it was 1, but I'm giving you an additional one to make up for it.
Hold the
This was me a year ago trying to find out which riddle am I going to give tomorrow, because I would think about it the day before, and I have them written down. So I was like, okay, I gave that one already. I want a new riddle. I need it spicy. And sometimes I'll give pictures, those pictures that I said with the riddle, just to spice it up.
So basically, you're like the Riddler then. You know Batman?
No.
You're the Riddler.
No.
It could be. Hey, I don't even know these riddles. It's the first time I'm like hearing somebody like figure out a riddle without actually thinking. That's weird.
I do think to see if I remember it.
I've been asking these riddles and you just immediately answer them. That's weird.
Alright, you found it.
I hold on. I need to choose wisely.
No, you don't get yourself 2 more. Come on.
Some say I put doctors out of business. Some say I am sour. Other times I am sweet. You can eat me, you can drink me. What am I?
Some say I put doctors out of business. Some say I'm sour. Some say I'm sweet. And what?
You can eat me, you can drink me. What am I?
You can eat an apple, but can you drink an apple? So it cannot be an apple. Is it an apple?
I am not telling you.
No, if I'm wrong, you're supposed to say you're wrong, and I'll think about it.
You're on the right track.
No, it's a fruit. It's a fruit. Fruits and vegetables. Right?
It's an apple.
It's an see, I know. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and if
Okay, yeah, okay. All right, this is the last question.
Yay,
Last question.
All right.
2 fathers, 2 sons are in a car. 2 fathers and 2 sons are in a car, but there are only 3 people in the vehicle.
I know.
Jesus, you know.
The grandfather, the father, and the son.
All right. Good job.
I'm excited. This is so weird. Why am I excited?
Over something that you already like, you know.
So how did I do? Y'all comment down below. Tell me how I did. I have a lot of editing to do, but anyways, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. And before I go, let me drop something. I was feeling down, and one of my coworkers came in my office to cheer me up.
Jack and Jill,
But up the hill,
fetch a pail of water. Here is little lamb and a back of him.
Drop in the water. Him can't swim
Because
Jack never teach him how to float.
and little Miss Muffet, the big spider, climb up the pig's snout. Oh, oh, Jack,
Jack and Jill,
Jack and Jill, away you do that far.
you know little girl, no know face swim. I am making drop.
It was the prettiest home that you ever did see, And the hole in the ground and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Oh, girl. And in that hole, there was a little root. Not the root, the seed come first. There was a little seed. It was the prettiest seed. Yeah, we done. That you ever did see, ever did see. And the seed in the hole, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all around. And that seed, there was a little root. It was the prettiest root. That you ever did see, ever did see. And the root and the seed in the hole, and the hole in the ground.
and I'm going to drop that in. I don't know if it's the first part or the last part of this. Anyways, I'm rambling. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. This is Shandizzle, and you just watch your video vlog from Shandizzle. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one.